Have you ever accidentally deleted an important file, emptied the recycle bin, or even lost data after formatting a drive? If so, don't panic just yet. Today, I'm going to introduce you to MyRecover, a powerful Windows data recovery solution that can help bring your lost files back in just a few simple steps. If you're interested in trying it yourself, be sure to check the official MyRecover website and grab the exclusive 30% discount through the links available in the video description.
MyRecover is a professional data recovery software designed for Windows users. Whether you've accidentally deleted documents, photos, videos, audio files, or other important data, MyRecover provides an easy and efficient way to recover them. The software supports recovery from hard drives, SSDs, USB flash drives, SD cards, external hard drives, and many other storage devices. It also works with common file loss situations, such as accidental deletion, formatted partitions, emptied recycle bin, and even certain system crashes. One feature I really like is the combination of Quick Scan and Deep Scan technologies. Quick Scan finds recently deleted files rapidly, while Deep Scan performs a more comprehensive search when files are harder to locate. Another useful feature is the preview function. Before recovering your files, you can preview many file types to confirm you found exactly what you need.
MyRecover also includes powerful search and filtering options, allowing you to quickly locate files by name, type, size, or modification date, which can save a lot of time during recovery. One of the biggest advantages of MyRecover is its user-friendly interface. Even if you've never used data recovery software before, the process is straightforward. Simply select the drive, start the scan, preview the recoverable files, choose what you want to restore, and save them to a different location. The entire workflow is clean, intuitive, and beginner-friendly. In terms of performance, MyRecover supports recovery of over 1,000 file formats, including documents, images, videos, archives, emails, and many other file types. The scanning speed is impressive, especially during Quick Scan, while Deep Scan does an excellent job searching for files that are more difficult to recover.
As with any recovery software, your chances of success are highest if you stop using the affected drive immediately after data loss to avoid overwriting the deleted files. MyRecover is a great choice for home users, students, professionals, photographers, content creators, and anyone who wants an easy way to recover lost files without needing advanced technical knowledge. Whether you accidentally deleted a project, lost family photos, or formatted the wrong drive, MyRecover offers a practical recovery solution. Overall, MyRecover is an excellent Windows data recovery software that combines powerful recovery capabilities with an easy-to-use interface. With fast scanning, deep recovery technology, preview support, and broad compatibility across storage devices, it provides everything most users need to recover lost data. If you'd like to learn more or download the software, don't forget to check the official MyRecover website, linked in the video description. You'll also find a special 30% discount link there, so be sure to take advantage of the offer before it expires. If you found this review helpful, please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more software reviews, tutorials, and technology tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.